Hello, it's Liam and Joe from the Liam and Joe Travel Show. No, Unique Custom Parts.
Yes.
But maybe we should rename it. We made it into Normanton yesterday. We stayed at the caravan park, and I'd recommend that. It was really great.
It was a motel.
Motel and caravan
Yep,
park, and
yep.
they played this movie about this female crocodile hunter from, I'm guessing, the 50s or 60s.
Yeah.
She was getting around an old Land Rover and had these boats, and what that woman was capable of doing, wow, it was just amazing.
Yep, shoot them.
She'd go out there, shoot them,
skin them,
and
wrap it up, take them home.
and then off they'd go to be made into handbags and shoes, and they were proud of it.
Yep.
But look, I just thought as a bit of a traveller's tip, I'd stop here. We're at the Normanton petrol station, and I had heard and read about that it's hard to get petrol, better off with a diesel car when travelling in the outback. I don't know that Normanton is exactly the outback, but anything west of where was the place we were at? Atherton, thank you. Anything west of Atherton, they've got a curfew on selling petrol, but you can always get diesel, and that's because of petrol sniffers. And there's some signs here saying that the pumps close down at 8 o'clock at night.
Because of the kids.
And because the kids come around and, I don't know, probably buy $1 worth or something. I don't know how that bit works, but you cannot get petrol. So if you're intending to do an overnighter, sort of an overnight drive, and try and get from Cairns to Darwin or Darwin to Cairns, in a petrol-driven car, you're going to be in trouble unless you're carrying your own jerry cans full of fuel.
Yeah.
And it's
there's a long gap.
It's a long gap between towns, and if you pulled into a town and expected to get petrol after 8 o'clock, you bum out of luck. So it's just something to bear in mind. If you were driving long distances, diesel would be the only way to go, and that's just a can rolling down the road here at Normanton, which is unusual. We did hear a party, and it's about 9:30 in the morning. We did hear a party going in full swing.
Yep.
But anyway, this is the Normanton petrol station.
Yep.
Make sure you're filled up before 8 p.m. or after 8 a.m. They're the operating hours for petrol. Petrol bowsers down there, but diesel is 24 hour.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Well, we're at the Normanton station, railway station, and to my mind, this is the prettiest building in Normanton. It's ready to sign home at the Gulflander, Normanton. We stopped at Croydon very briefly. Didn't seem to be too much there, to be honest with you. There was one pub that we saw, and probably a dozen or so houses. But I guess people are caught, they've got to get to Normanton, it'd probably be big smoke. But let's see if we can walk inside and get a couple of pictures of that Gulflander train, which looks exceptional. Here we go. We've got a timetable. Every Wednesday, 8:30. To Croydon. Every Thursday. Croydon. What a great looking train. It's a sensation. We crisscrossed the railway line when we left Croydon towards Normanton quite a few times. But, this is big Memphis quickly. It is attached, so I don't understand why the Gulflander would pull that. I suspect that they attached the Gulflander to that to stop people breaking into the train and stealing it. I think they're just using that as some sort of an anchor, a train anchor. I can't imagine that up and down the railway. But the Gulflander itself, that looks sensational. The train is all but deserted. I've got the place to myself by the look at it. Here's the front of the Gulflander. It's absolutely fantastic. We've got some small carriages there too. They would be like overnight carriages.
over the hills and far from mine. She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
Right behind me is a rather nice looking building. This is the Normanton Westpac Bank. It looks really good. There's not a lot of action in town. A couple of old four-wheel drives going to come to the tourist spot. Yeah, but there's not a lot of Normanton. If I start walking down the main drag this way, I've got a supermarket and a cafe down the end there, Australia Post, a war memorial, and of course the famous purple pub. That's what Normanton, I think, is most famous for some reason. I would have thought the Gulflander Railway. That's just me. Well, hello, I'm still in Normanton. There's so much to see and do here, and I'm standing in front of Krys, the giant crocodile, and the Big Apple. We've got the big barramundi down the road that I've taken a few photos of, and now we've got the big crocodile. But unlike the big barramundi and the big pineapple and the big banana over in Coffs Harbour, this one is lifelike, life-sized. And when I pulled up, that just can't be true. No crocodile gets this bloody big. This thing is absolutely huge. But it's named Krys, the Savannah King. It came in at 8.63 metres, or 28 feet 4 inches. And it's an estuarine crocodile, the largest ever captured in the world. It was captured at MacArthur Bank, Norman River, Normanton, in July 1957 by Christina Palowski. And we've seen a documentary on Christina, and she would go and hunt down the crocodiles, shoot them, and skin them. And she was very efficient at skinning them, and send the pelts or the hide would then go off to be made into shoes and handbags. But she captured this thing, and that is a formidable sized crocodile. I would absolutely shit myself if I saw something that big. To be honest with you, I shit myself when I see a two-foot one, but this is fucking ridiculous. I didn't get the whole size, but it's huge. We're about 20 kilometres north of Normanton. I'll have to yell because this spillway is making quite a lot of noise, but we're about 20 kilometres north of Normanton. I'm told that it's very likely we're going to see crocs, and at this time of year the big ones come out because it's starting to get a bit cooler, believe it or not. It's 35 degrees. It doesn't feel cool to me. But the locals back in Normanton said this is when the big ones start to come out of the water and try and get warm because it's chilly for them, bloody hot for me. So this would be a sensational spot if you wanted a free camp. Well, the mate, there's no one here to be honest with you because it's such a beautiful spot and there's no one here. It's so tranquil. One thing about this part of Australia, it's not many inhabitants as we're discovering, which can sort of freak you out a little bit if you're in a $500 car and you think it might break down. But so far the Wang has been very good to us. Yeah, so would I say it's worth coming to Normanton? Absolutely so far. It's a real taste of outback Australia without being too outback, I guess. Okay, see you soon. Well, here we are at, where are we? Karumba. And behind us is the Gulf of Carpenteria.
We're on the other side.
We're on the other side of Queensland.
Yeah.
And apart from the chip on the windscreen, everything's gone rather well with the Wang. It's damp. It's actually a lot cooler down here by the water than it is, 20 feet away, believe it or not. But it is, yeah, Karumba seems a lot better than I believe. At least there's a campus here. Lots of fishermen. There's a fisherman just down behind us. Well, there's a fishing trawler. I'm quite sure what the catch would be out here.
Crocodile.
Well, I would guess about 90, but yeah, I'm not sure. There's a little fisherman behind those trees. I'll try and get a better shot of him. We're told that you don't go swimming in water you can't see through, and the water here is like really murky.
Yeah.
I mean, it's obviously salt water, but it's like really round. And I'm not sure why that is. Maybe because of the wet season, the water's been running into the Gulf from land, and it's made it all muddy. I don't know if it's normal like this, but yeah, it's sort of like a poo brown colour. But apart from that,
It's the Gulf of Carpenteria.
Gulf of Carpenteria. The Wang made it. It's beautiful. Would I come here again? Absolutely. I think this is. I just wish we had more time to look around and spit and relax and
Yep.
really just have a hear. So we made it. Anyway, thank you.
Bye.
Hooroo.